What if I told you that you probably buy products that seem harmless, but can actually harm the life of marine animals? What if I also told you that you can buy the same products that actually save the life of marine animals? Most people nowadays, they go out and get a coffee every morning. Billions upon billions of plastic waste is created every year from coffee alone, and unfortunately 10% of that will end up in the ocean. As someone who often buys products that use a plastic waste alternative material, I have first-hand experience with the various capabilities it can be used for. We need to start reducing the amount of plastic in the oceans before it's too late. And we can do that by addressing why there's so much plastic in the ocean, finding effective ways to reduce the amount of plastic in the ocean, and transitioning into that new plan to introduce a new normal. In order to reduce the amount of plastic in the ocean, we have to first address why it's there in the first place. Plastic is one of the most commonly used materials to manufacture products. It's cheap, easy to work with, durable, lightweight. It's used in everything from the car you drive to the cup of coffee you get every morning. According to Peters, over the span of 1 year, Starbucks will use over 2 billion plastic straws and over 4 billion plastic cups. And again, roughly 10% of that will end up in the ocean. People have tried to replace plastic with other materials, but plastic is still a more cost-effective material and leaves behind a smaller carbon footprint. But since plastic is non-biodegradable, it will stay on the earth forever. So if we can't get rid of it because it's an essential production material and it's not biodegradable, what can we do with it? In order to reduce the amount of plastic in the ocean, we have to use it as a production material for everyday products. Parley states that they help avoid plastic wherever possible, intercept plastic waste, and redesign the material itself. Adidas has been collaborating with Parley since 2015 to redesign the plastic waste into a usable material for their products. In 2019, they made over 11 million shoes that were at least 75% recycled ocean plastic. Adidas states that their processing plant crushes, washes, and dehydrates the waste, leaving nothing but small plastic flakes. The flakes are heated, dried, and cooled, then cut into small resin pellets. Adidas melts these pellets to create a filament, which is spun into a form of polyester yarn. At first thought, you may think wearing clothes made of plastic seems uncomfortable, but you'd be wrong. The way Adidas incorporates the plastic yarn into their products makes it almost impossible to tell the difference from ordinary clothes. So Adidas is using ocean plastic to make their products, but it'll only help if the people go out and buy those products. In order to reduce the amount of plastic in the ocean, we have to buy the products that use plastic waste instead. According to Adidas, they plan on converting all of their products to 100% recycled materials by 2024. But this is up to the people to buy these products to exponentially reduce the amount of plastic in the ocean. If you buy clothes made from recycled ocean plastic, you are helping the environment and marine life without sacrificing anything compared to ordinary clothes. People buy clothes and shoes on a regular basis. If we were to make sure to buy clothes made out of ocean plastic, then companies like Adidas will be able to make more of these clothes, which means companies like Parley will be able to intercept more plastic waste, therefore dramatically reducing the amount of plastic in the ocean. Plastic is non-biodegradable, often gets littered in the ocean, and is endangering marine life. An effective way to get rid of the plastic in the oceans is to use it as an alternative material for mass-produced goods. What our products are made out of can impact the environment in ways we don't directly notice, but if we find effective ways to redesign ocean plastic to create everyday products and transition into buying more of these products instead of the traditional ones, we can save the marine life. The oceans give us life, we give them plastic. Let's invent our way out of this together.